So here's an Hermes scarf that we just finished framing. I'm going to show you guys some details about how we went about doing it. So if you notice, this is all stitched all around. We have a piece of linen fabric. It's got a kind of an off-white color that we stitched it on. And then we also have a little bit of spacer between the scarf and the acrylic. And I'll show you what kind of acrylic this is. This is a welded steel frame. And if you look close here, you can see the welding marks, and then the way we hold these together is with these little screws that hold up a piece of wood in the back, and then that would be the strainer. The acrylic is UV protective and is also anti-abrasion, 99% UV protective, and it's also anti-glare, so you don't see a lot of glare on something like this when you look at it straight on. Obviously, if you have a window on the other side of the frame, you're going to see it, but this cuts down on the glare by a whole lot. See that picture right there? I don't know if it's clear over there, but that picture also has a similar product. Now, something like this is nice and big, will be very robust and heavy. This is probably about 40 pounds, still not very heavy, but what we do is we add some sturdy hardware in the back, so it will look nice. On the back of this, we added 2 Z-bars, and each one of these holds about 200 pounds, so this 200, that's 200, that's going to be plenty of weight to carry. And we put a second frame on the back that's going to support this. You can see there's a screwed on to the back to another frame. So there's a frame behind the steel frame, and this is plenty sturdy and they shouldn't have any problems. All right, this came out really pretty, and I hope our customer enjoys it.